Hi everyone, my name is Sarah, and as a reminder for those who forgot or don't know, my placement is in a school grades kindergarten through eighth grade. I have a small caseload of students that I meet with individually weekly, and I also run a couple of small groups for students throughout the week. One thing that I have enjoyed about this placement is working with children. I have a lot of experience working with adults, but not too much experience working with children. And I was actually pretty intimidated by the idea of working with children, but I've actually really come to enjoy it. And which I kind of was surprised about. A challenge that I've experienced in this placement is kind of collaborating with the teachers. I've experienced some pushback from teachers in the sense that I think they just become pretty frustrated with some of the students' challenging behaviors that they have to deal with every day in their classrooms. And also, something that has been challenging to me is that I found that I've done a lot of work with the students and we've made a lot of progress, but a lot of times they go home to a completely different environment, and at times that environment isn't always conducive to the progress that we've made at school, or the parents aren't quite on board with some of the techniques or the new skills learned. So at times the positive growth and improvement is not always supported in the home environment. So that has definitely been challenging. Something I've learned about myself is that I'm good at working with children. I have my own children, but it's completely different working with other children. And like I said earlier, that it was something that I was really intimidated by, but I have found that I'm good at it, and I actually do enjoy it, which were two things that kind of came as a surprise to me. I look forward to hearing about how your placements are all going, and I look forward to learning more with you throughout this course. Thank you.